All right, in this video, we're going to work on a drawing sheet for the train. This one we're going to do stack, which has a section and a projected view, and then we're going to work on linkage arm, which has a break. So first, create a drawing sheet. Upper left, click the piece of paper, click English Engineering Sheet A, create, type in your name. It is the train, and this is stack and linkage arm. Say OK, say OK. We want to bring our stack in, so click Base, click the folder with the magnifying glass, go to Stack, Part 2, Open. We want to look it down from the top. We want it in 1 to 1. We want it in the upper left corner, and say OK. Now we're going to do a section, so click Section in the upper left, click on the top, and then you want to go on the far left where you get that green dot. Drag out about a 1/4 inch to the left, see that dotted line, click, drag straight through horizontally till it's about a 1/4 inch outside the right side, click, right click, say continue. You want your part going down so your arrows go up, drag down, click, you have your section view. Next you want to project that section view, so click projected in the upper left, click on that view, drag through the corner till you get that view and out to the side, right or click, then right click and say create. And then we're pretty much done on the picture. It's up just a little higher, not real critical. We need to label that, but we have to label the linkage arm in a minute, so we're going to wait and we'll do the labeling all at the same time. So let's go place our linkage arm. Magnifying glass, part 7. Say open. We'll put our linkage arm here. We're going to make this 1 to 1 again. Okay, we're going to do the top view. We're going to do the isometric view, and we're going to do the right side view. Okay, from there we're going to say OK. We need to put a break in this because it's kind of long, so we want to shrink this down because nothing changes here in the middle. So we can go up here to the top, click break, click this part that we want to break. We're going to start the break over near the left side, then we're going to drag near to the right side, and you can see how it breaks it and cuts it down. Okay, and now we can kind of move these parts around because we have more room. Things will fit better. Don't forget this part here. We should have it colored because it's the isometric 3-dimensional view. And now we need to label. So we want to go to Annotate in the top left, click on Text, drag yourself out of text box. This is part 2, it's the stack. Say OK, and then do another text box for over here, because this is part 7, which is the linkage arm. And say OK. Now if you need to move any of those around, just hit the escape key, get out of the text tool, and then you can see I can move those around to wherever I want. It's not critical exactly where they are, as long as they're over there labeling some part. If it's easier, you can put it down here on the bottom if you think that looks better. It's not a big deal. Okay? And that is it for stack and linkage arm.